What's going on? Today we're going to unbox this computer monitor arm, and I got this off Amazon. It's a full motion, rated up to 19.8 pounds, and it has both mounting methods on the side of the desk or if you have holes in the middle of the desk. And it has 2 bolts instead of just 1, so it should be pretty sturdy. It says for flat and curved LCD monitors, LED monitors, and let's open this thing up and see what we got. Inside the box, we get the instructions, and there's the arm, cable management stuff. There's the mount that goes on the back of the monitor. Wow, this thing's heavy duty. And let's go through all these pieces. I'll get it assembled and I'll be right back. And here we are with all the pieces. We have the arm. We have the plate that goes on the back of the monitor. And here's the base. Has a USB 3 and a microphone and headphone jack built in. And it's all metal. And here's the rest of the hardware. Has all these pieces to hide the wires. And here's if you're going to mount it on the side of your desk. All the hardware is really robust, if I must say so. And that's what's inside the box. Let's get this thing together. Well, here we are with it installed. It's in my workshop, so it's a little messy. Excuse the mess. But there it is installed. It's actually in this particle board. That's how it looks underneath. The 2 bolts through with the plates. And that's it. Can move, so if you want it pretty flat against the wall in the center, it'd be like that. And then once there's weight on this, it'll monitor will be staying put while the arm moves around. But can move it all over the place. A little hard to do one-handed, but let's get the monitor on there and see how it looks. And here we are with the JRB Studio monitor arm with the monitor on it. And this is a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor for scale. There's up and down. It has no problem holding it at whatever height you want. And you can see on the back there. Here's all the cable management. So once I have all the cables routed, I'll hide the cables pretty good. You can, if you wanted to, you could have it vertical. Or, but probably not. And that's about it. Looks real sturdy. Has no problem holding this monitor. So, you're looking for a monitor arm, this might be one to consider. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.